Hi guys, today I am going to be seeing which is better out of fidget spinner or fidget cube. So, the first challenge is which is better to fiddle with. So, let's do fidget spinner first. So I'm going to rate this. Tell me in the comments what you think this is. I think it would be a 6 out of 10. And now fidget cube. This is a 10 out of 10. So for that round, the fidget cube one. The next round is which is more fun to fidget and fiddle with. So let's do fidget spinner again. This is quite fun because you can just do that and shake it around. But I think, so I'm going to give the fidget spinner a 7 out of 10. And the fidget cube a 10 out of 10 again. So the next one is which is the biggest. Winner. So the fidget spinner one, which is the biggest. And now which one can fit in your pocket the easiest. So I'm going to have to stand up for this one. And for the fidget cube, it is going to be 6 out of 10. Fidget spinner, 10 out of 10. So, people, tell me in the comment section below which one you think should win. I think the fidget cube should win, but you might think that the fidget spinner would win. So tell me in the comment section below which one you like the best. And just bye. Bye.